I've never seen weather like this. I'm just glad we got the crew and passengers off the ship before anyone was hurt.
Captain, this is the Coast Guard helicopter.
I'm happy to hear from you guys.
How are you getting on down there?
Well, I've been in charge of better cruises, I'll say that.
Do you have any casualties?
Negative. We managed to evacuate the ship. It's just me on board.
Do you have any damage?
Affirmative. We took on water a few hours ago. I'm trying to get the ship back to port.
Captain, can you hear me? We can see smoke. Are you okay?
A little banged up, but I'll survive.
Things are about to get a whole lot worse.
What do you mean? Hello? You're breaking up.
Hurry! Evacuate! Tsunami!
A tsunami? Oh, I've got to get out of here.
We'll meet you on the helipad. Run!
I need to move it. I've got to go.
Come on, we don't have time.
Almost there.
Go, go, go!
That was a close one.
Hey, you're alive. That's the main thing.
I'm just glad there's no one on that ship.